What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, hope you're all well. We're looking at Bepro and still holding the EMAs very nicely. This bullish cross that we formed, having this fake out over the 200 EMA, basically a throwback, basically saying that we do not want to go up after meeting our bullish technical target out of this double bottom which I gave you. We've now retraced, which is something that we need to do, and I said that we could come actually as low as not even this double bottom that we're holding, which is amazing that we're holding, but you can actually come as low as this. So what I would say is, if we do lose this support that we're currently at, where we are forming some sort of descending triangle over here, so there's actually multiple descending triangles. I haven't looked at this chart just yet. This is the first time with you guys, but just like looking at that structure, it looks to me like diminishing bullish pressure, and you got this resistance over here, and you got this support on this previous swing low over here. So you're finding support right there, and that is the 55 EMA. So I know that we're going sideways in here. The price action is getting constricted because we're coming into the apex, which just means the end of the pattern, and a move is going to be forced. Now this is a 66% chance of actually breaking down, and what's actually very funny is I haven't done this yet. Remember guys, this is the first time I'm looking at this with you guys, but I think the technical target is where we said, oh no, it's a bit lower to be honest, but I thought the technical target would be just here, but it's a bit lower to the 786, basically 0.00295932. That is of course below the 618, and as I said, we can come as low as that, but technically this target is lower than that. So what would have to happen is the 786 is actually the lowest you can afford to go before continuation to the upside, because obviously we want to hold the golden pocket, the 050 to the 0618. This is the most retraceable zone. This is the one that's retested the most before the continuation. So we've had this push, exhaustion down into the 618 before continuation. That's what most of the time happens, but there are cases that I've seen in my trading over the last 3 years where we've gone below the 618 to the 786, reclaim the 618, back tested support, and then we eventually continue, meaning that the move below the 618 over here down to the 786 was a fake out, market manipulation to make you think, yeah, we lost 618, we're creating the reversal wave to the 1, and then we're losing the 1 going to the 1618 down here. But if you can bounce off the 786 and actually reclaim, you must reclaim the 618, because if you're just running into it and you're falling short of getting above it, then you're going to continue lower. So it's all about, if we do lose the 618, it's all about bouncing off that 786 and reclaiming it and confirming it as support. It must confirm it as support. Once that's confirmed, we're going to start to head higher. Reclaim this double bottom neckline, back test it as support, and we head back to that target, so back to the previous high up here. So yeah, even if we dump, remember guys, the bigger the dip, eventually the bigger the rip. So that's why we've got that to look forward to. Of course, if Bitcoin dumps now, this will too. We've worked out the bearish scenario, but again guys, Bitcoin is at the ascending support right now of a rising wedge, or of the ascending triangle. It's two patterns, one's bullish, one's bearish. So it's, yeah, we're at the support now. If the bearish pattern wants to play out, then of course it's going to break downwards, and then Bepro will follow. So make sure guys, you always start your day off with the Bitcoin updates. I urge you all to watch them, and yeah, you'll know going forward what's happening with Bepro. Especially if I don't make a Bepro update that day, please make sure to support the channel always by liking, subscribing and commenting. Let's get this video to 50 likes, and of course make sure to watch the Bitcoin video and help that also get to 50 likes. Thank you guys so much for your support. I appreciate you all over these last few months, and of course over the last couple of months where I've had struggles with Wi-Fi and COVID. We're back as usual, baby, and I'll catch you guys on Monday in the next one. Peace. So guys, here are the crypto packages. If you think you have what it takes to stay disciplined and consistent over the next 3 to 6 months, then I'm more than happy to help you 10x your learning curve. So you can already be a complete beginner, or you can be advanced. It doesn't matter. I'm here to turn you into a self-sufficient trader that doesn't need anyone else's guidance by the end of it. I even had to pay over £10,000 to get all this information. That includes scams, scam signals where I lost 3K, scam master account management where I lost 5K, scam pyramid scheme companies for bad courses. Then I found my mentor and I had to pay over $2,000 for just a 2-hour mentorship lesson. What you guys are getting for £650 is access to the chat until the top of the market. So if the top of the market is a year away, do 1 year times 40. So you're definitely getting your money's worth. You also get the course included in the mentorship, and I'll actually not just do a 2-hour lesson with you. I will stay here for a month period to make sure that you become a self-sufficient trader by the end of it. So if you're interested in this, head over to my Twitter, Louis_crypto, to the pinned post and message me there. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.